We are in Intramuros. Of course, may dala kaming sunblock.
Hindi ko lang pa.
We are in Intramuros. Of course, may dala kaming payong at pamunas. We are in Intramuros. Of course, may baon kaming tubig. Cheers! We are in Intramuros. Of course, magbabambay kami. Nasaan na, Bobby?
Dito kasi dito daw.
100 per hour lang daw, Bobby, oh! Let's go. We are in Intramuros. Of course, may dala kaming pabalit.
Di palit ka na, iba na yan.
Uy, grabe.
Tayo, Bi, ang asim na
Ito na. We are in Intramuros. Of course, sasakay kami ng Tranvia. Let's go! Taas pala.
Ayaw mo na